Good morning, children. Welcome to our class. In your previous class, I explained the lesson amma and I gave question answers, fill in the blanks, and yes or no. Now class work over and lesson also over. Let's see amma next topic, next lesson. What is our next lesson name? The uses of globe. What is our second lesson amma? The uses of a globe. Okay, children. Look at your textbook, amma. Whatever I am reading, put your fingers. For example, you see here one ant is there, one ball is there. This ant climbing up a ball. What she can this ant see the whole of the ball at once? So the ant rotate అవుతూ బాల్ మొత్తం హోల్ టోటల్ కంప్లీట్ చేసింది. ఒక రొటేషన్ అనేది కంప్లీట్ చేసేసింది. ఓకే అమ్మా, లెట్స్ సీ అవర్ లెసన్. కమింగ్ టు అవర్ లెసన్ అమ్మా. ఓపెన్ యువర్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్, పుట్ యువర్ ఫింగర్స్ అమ్మా. Raju is a good football player. One boy is Raju, that is a very good football player. One day he saw a little ant climbing onto his football. What is that? One day he saw. What he saw, amma? One ant climbing on to his football. One ant climbing off on it football. He was excited to see the ant climbing the ball. So తను చాలా ఎగ్జైటింగ్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. సో ఈ ant ఏం చేస్తుంది? What ant doing? So the ant climbing the ball. So climbing means ఇలా రొటేట్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. Yes, the ant is trying to see the whole ball at once. ఏం చేస్తుంది? What ant doing? The ant is trying. What is that trying? At a time the whole ball, to see the whole ball at a time. What is that meaning? ఒకే టైంలో అంటే at a time that ant see the whole ball అంటే టోటల్ ఆ బాల్ మొత్తం టోటల్ బాల్ ఒకేసారి చూడడానికి ట్రై చేస్తుంది. అంటే ఇట్స్ పాసిబుల్, దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, లుక్ హియర్ దిస్ బుక్ అమ్మా. యు సీ ఓన్లీ one side at one time. At a time you see one side. At a time you see two sides. It's possible? No, it is not possible. Same like that, we are seeing at a time only one side. You can't see other side. Same like that, the ant also he's trying to see the whole ball at once. The whole ball at once means ఒకే టైంలో ద టోటల్ బాల్ ను చూడడానికి ట్రై చేస్తుంది. వాట్ ఇస్ దట్? ant. దిస్ టోటల్లీ అబ్జర్వ్ ద రాజు. కెన్ ఇట్ see the whole ball at once? Tell me, children, can it see the whole ball at a time? It's not possible. No, that cannot see at a time that whole ball. Like this book also, you can see at a time this sides only. Don't see at a time you see two sides. It's possible? Not. It's not possible. Similarly, the earth is so large that we cannot see all of it once. So similarly, same like that, at a time ఒక బాల్ మనం ఎలా కంప్లీట్ at a time total ball ని చూడలేమో. You can't see that total ball at a time. Same like that, the earth is very large. You know, earth, we are living on earth. Yes, that is earth. You can see at a time total earth. It is possible? No, it is not possible. At a time you can see all earth because it is very large. A model of the earth help us to see what the whole earth looks like. What is that? A model of the earth. For example, you like a model of the earth అంటే ఎర్త్ లాగా ఉన్న ఒక మోడల్ మీన్స్ ఒక బాల్ లాంటి బౌలర్. యు నో we are in offices or globe is there. Yes, earth look like a globe or globe is a look like a earth. The whole earth looks like a globe is a better model of the earth than a flat map. For example, you can see maps. You can see maps. Some maps are this. For example, continent maps or India map, Telangana map. That is flat. Means this is paper like that. This is a flat. This is a flat. That is not. Globe is a look like a round and look like a earth. Globe is a look like a earth. Small model of the earth. That is because the earth is sphere. You know that earth is a sphere. Earth has a sphere shape. Same globe also having a sphere shape. So like a ball. Yes, sphere means like a ball. So sphere is more like the earth than flat pieces of paper. So sphere is more like the earth than a flat pieces of paper. Okay, look at the globe. You can make it spin around and around. Why? Because the earth itself spin around and around. Why not we get dizzy? Because we are used to the earth's motion. It has been spinning around since it first formed. Ever since you were born, you have been riding and spinning earth in space. What is that, Amma? For example, this is a globe or this is a earth. Or like this. This is a globe. You spin this, you rotate this, you spinning it like this. You rotate like this. Always you move this. This is rotating. Yes. Earth also. Okay. You can make spin around and around. This spin around and around. So rounds తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. Yes. Now because the earth itself spin and around. Earth also itself spins and around. Means earth తన చుట్టూ తాను తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. Like this. You rotate this. This spinning around and around. Like that earth also itself spin around and around. తన చుట్టూ తను తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. What is that? Earth. So that is called what? Earth's motions. తన చుట్టూ తను తిరగడాన్ని means earth itself motion. Earth itself around and around. It's called as motions. Earth's motions. It has been spinning around since it is the first form. Okay. Earth spins or rotate on its axis. What is that? Earth spins to axis. Like this. Here, this is a globe, Amma. This is one axis. This globe spins to around to this axis. Same like that. So, ఈ axis ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని this globe ఎలా rotate అవుతుందో or rounds చేస్తుందో. So, same globe also spin around to the axis. It is the metal pieces or pole that runs through the globe from top to bottom. So on the earth, the axis is just an imaginary line. It is the line around which the earth rotates or spins. The top of the axis is the north pole. The bottom of the axis is the south pole. For example, you take Amma, this is like a earth. This is a globe, but this is look like a earth. This is the axis. This globe rotate or spins on this axis. So, ఈ axis ని తీసుకొని అంటే ఈ యాక్సిస్ పైన ఇది అనేది rotate అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. What is this? This globe is rotating always. Yes, rotating like this. This is the axis. This north side axis is called northern pole, and this south side is called south pole. North side is called north pole and south side is called south pole axis. Okay. Now the globe is titled in one side. Why? Because the earth itself is tilted. What is that? The globe is tilted to one side because the earth itself is tilted. The tilt is what gives has the seasons of spring, summer, fall and winter. So it's depending on seasons, it is rotates as tilt. What is that? Summer season is there, winter season is there, okay, a rainy season is there. These totally depend on the tilting of the earth or rotates on the earth. When the north pole is turned toward the sun, the northern part of the earth has summer. What is that, Amma? For example, this north pole rotate to the sun. Here sun is there, Amma. This north pole is rotate to the sun, and that time summer is coming. Yes, this north pole is rotate to the sun, so coming summer. At the same time, the south pole of the earth has a winter. For example, the north pole rotate to the sun. Here summer is there, and south side emuntundi. What is the season from south side? Winter season, because these both are opposite sides. This is nearing to sun. So here summer season is there. Here opposite to the north pole. So here winter is there. Okay, children. An experiment to prove that the earth rotates in that axis from east to west. Let's see next class, Amma. Okay, children. Take care. Bye.